Students carry a lot. Books, chargers, water bottles, snacks, the whole setup. So today, let's look at a laptop that doesn't add to the weight, the Surface Laptop 13-inch. It's light, it's fast, and it does exactly what you need it to do without making your life more complicated. The first thing you'll notice is the weight. It's genuinely light, the kind where you check your bag because it feels like you've forgotten something. When you're moving between classes, the library, study spaces, or just trying to find somewhere quiet, that makes a difference. It fits in your bag without taking over, unlike the folder that you've been carrying around since last September. And yes, it actually comes in colors. You've got platinum for the organized people who like everything neat. You've got ocean for the iced coffee in the winter crowd. And then you've got violet for anyone who wants something a bit different without going over the top. Pick whichever one suits you, and they all have color coordinated feet. Now, the touchscreen, this is one of those features you don't think about until you have it, and then you use it constantly. Zoom in to diagrams, scroll through notes, tap through slides, highlight the important bits. It just makes everything quicker, and when you're switching between apps or reading something on the go, it feels natural. The keyboard and trackpad are solid too. Comfortable, responsive, and easy to type on for long stretches. If you're writing an essay or taking notes all day, that matters more than people realize. And they all come with a true color matched keyboard. The fingerprint reader is built into the power button as standard. One tap and you're in. With Windows Hello behind it, it's quick and secure, ideal for those moments when you're rushing into a lecture, trying to get set up and don't want to mess around with passwords. Now let's talk about those Copilot+PC features. These are those tools that actually help you get things done, especially when your timetable is packed. With the Snapdragon X Plus chip and its fast NPU, you can get quick summaries of articles using Click to Do without digging through pages of text. It's great when you're trying to understand something quickly or prepare for a lecture. If you need a file you saved months ago and can't remember where it went, Recall can track it down. No more digging through folders called Final, Final 2, Final, Final version 1, Final version, use this one, Final, Final edit, amended, Final version, Final, this is the last one. We've all been there. If you're taking a video call somewhere that isn't ideal, maybe a busy cafe or a shared space, Windows Studio Effects can blur the background and reduce noise so you look more prepared than you probably feel. It keeps things professional even when the environment isn't. And when you need support, the Copilot Key is right there on the keyboard, backlit, color matched, and ready to help you plan, write, organize, or figure out your next steps in whatever you're working on. It's consistent and it doesn't get tired. Performance-wise, the Surface Laptop 13-inch handles the usual student workload easily. Essays, research tabs, video calls, presentations, and all those things in between. It stays responsive when you've got multiple things open, which is exactly what you want during a busy week. Battery life is another strong point, with up to 23 hours. You can get through a full day without constantly looking for a plug, whether you're on campus all day or moving around different buildings. That kind of reliability makes a difference. Here's a quick recap. Lightweight design that's easy to carry around all day. A touchscreen that makes studying and general use faster and more natural. A fingerprint reader as standard for quick, secure access. Copilot+PC features that genuinely help with day-to-day tasks. All-day battery life that keeps up with long schedules. Strong performance for essays, research, calls, and everything else you need to get done. The Surface Laptop 13-inch isn't trying to be flashy, it's built to be useful, saving you time, reducing hassle, and giving you performance you need to work comfortably and efficiently. So if you're starting a new course or just want a reliable premium laptop that fits into your busy routine, the Surface Laptop 13-inch is worth a look. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe and let me know your favorite color in the comments. Whichever hides your greasy fingers from your favorite takeaway is a perfectly reasonable choice. See you in the next one. Ciao.